In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your own views and likes or interactions on your own post, and you can also hide other people's views, likes, and interactions on their own post. Very easy, very simple, guys. Let's launch the Facebook app. You want to first click on the lower right corner so you can start with the settings. Then when you're at your menu, you want to click on upper right corner at the gear icon, so you will be able to launch the settings and privacy. When you see or when you add settings and privacy, you want to scroll down to the special section Add Preferences. When you're at Preferences, all you gotta do is to click on Reaction Preferences. This is where you can simply click the first option, which will hide all the likes and views and interactions of your friends' feed posts. This means that when they publish something, picture or a video, you're going to see the picture, you're going to see the video, but you're not gonna see how many people like it, you're not gonna see how many people commented, you're not gonna see how many views they got on their videos. The second option over here is the same function but for your own post. So when you publish a picture or a video, you are going to see how many likes and how many views, but nobody else will be able to tell how many people view your video, how many people like your photos. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.